Another way to divide polynomials is using synthetic division. It's a kind of an abstract way of doing a problem, but it's a little bit simpler than the long division method. We're going to do one that's fairly lengthy, but should come out just fine. So we're going to divide x to the fourth minus x to the third minus 10x squared plus 4x plus 24. That large fourth degree polynomial, we're going to divide that by x minus 3. Okay, some of you have probably seen synthetic substitution. It's basically the same thing. In each, along the first row, we use the coefficients of the x to the fourth, then x to the third, x squared, and x terms, and then the constant. So the coefficients of each of these, coefficient of x to the fourth is 1, coefficient of negative x to the third is negative 1, coefficient of negative 10x squared is negative 10, coefficient of 4x is 4, and the constant is 24. Okay. Now on the outside right here, what we do is we take the opposite of this. Okay, it would be what makes this binomial equal to 0. So if it's x minus 3, x would be 3. So put that right outside. Now, just like in synthetic substitution, we start by bringing down the first term. The first coefficient is 1. After that, as we go back up, we multiply by the 3. So 1 times 3 is 3, and then again we add straight down. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Going up, we multiply the 2 times 3 and get 6. Then we add straight down again. Put plus here so we remember. So negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4. Once again we multiply it times the 3. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Then when we go through and add 4 plus negative 12, we're going to end up with negative 8. Okay. Then I multiply negative 8 times 3. I get negative 24. Negative 24 plus 24 plus negative 24 is 0. Okay. And since that's 0, that means it is evenly divisible. By x minus 3, because the remainder is 0. Now, each of these numbers, the 1, the 2, the negative 4, and negative 8, those are the coefficients of the result. So up here it was x to the fourth. As you come down through this process, you lose 1 degree. So it'll be 1x to the third for this term, plus 2. Instead of x to the third, we'll have x squared. Then minus 4, this is a coefficient, x squared, lose 1 exponent, get x. Up here, we just had the x term, so when we come down here, we won't have any x at all, so it'll just be minus 8. So the result of x to the fourth minus x to the third minus 10x squared plus 4x plus 24, all divided by x minus 3, equals x to the third plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8. Okay, it's an unusual way to do these problems, but it works. Smiley face. Thank you.